Hello dear fans. How GPS navigation works. Nowadays, many car owners use car navigators, which greatly simplify the trip to unfamiliar places, show traffic jams, indicate the location of specified objects. Such navigators work thanks to the development of a GPS navigation system. And many users of these devices are interested in how it works. What is GPS? It is a global satellite system, global positioning system, which consists of 24 satellites in different orbits, which constantly transmit signals about their health, location, and time. What role does the navigator play in this system? The navigator, in fact, is a receiver of signals transmitted from satellites and a device that applies these signals to the maps installed in it with all road and other schemes. How does the navigator determine its location? The navigator receives signals from satellites about their location and when the signal was sent. Then, taking into account the speed of the signal and the time of its reception, it determines the distance to the satellites. The next step is the navigator's processor applies the resulting coordinates to the map, thereby determining its location. As a result, it turns out that in order to determine its two-dimensional location, latitude and longitude, the navigator needs signals from at least 3 satellites. The more satellites the navigator finds, the more accurate the location coordinates will be. Considering that the satellites transmit data constantly, and the navigator constantly receives them, the speed of movement of the navigator is also determined. Maps play a very important role in navigation. Depending on the accuracy of the development of maps, the accuracy of the tasks assigned to the navigator will also depend. Thanks for watching.